Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside the Walgreens, and Walgreens has some really good deals going on. Now I am a little later in the day. I was hoping that, at 11 o'clock my time, Walgreens app updates and it lets you see like the new coupons if you type in like the general search if you're shopping. Like for Garnier, if we have new Garnier coupons after 11 o'clock, they'll populate there. And I've been waiting till 11 o'clock because we have a new spend 45 get $15 Walgreens cash for PG items. Now they weren't showing up on the website and attaching to items, so I was hoping that they are like showing what items they would attach to. There's some items that they've attached to in the past, and I tried checking those and they're not showing up. So I was like, maybe with this 11 o'clock little update thing that it does, we'll see. But unfortunately, it's like 11:20 my time and it hasn't happened yet. So there's no more waiting. I'm just gonna go inside and kind of show you the deals, and then I'll decide at the end if I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. I haven't made up my mind yet. I didn't get a spend booster either, so that's kind of why I waited a little longer, because I feel like this would be like our spend booster, because we have in store the spend 30 get 10, and it's tagged all over the store. But as y'all know from the past, or if you're newer, it doesn't attach to everything, especially like if it says Olay products, it doesn't usually attach to Olay body wash, but they'll have a tag over there too. So I don't know, I just like to double check in the app first, but whatever. For all y'all that need it, there is a printable breakdown just in case you want to change it, edit it, and print it off, take it to the store with you. Otherwise, there's that like and subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I'd love to have you as part of my channel. And without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. There is a super hot deal on Garnier products this week. So they are buy two, get $4 in registry rewards, and they're on sale for $4.49. The best way to do this deal is to grab two of these flat iron protectors, part of that promotion. Grabbing two of them will be $8.98. Now, a long time ago, maybe a couple weeks, we had a $7 digital coupon off of two that you had to clip. This is no longer available to clip, but check your account to see if you have it. Now, when you check products, it's showing that nothing is attaching, but I feel like that was last week too when I was looking at it. So add a couple products. If you're in store, add that to your cart like you're gonna purchase them online to see if that coupon does attach. So if it attaches to the products you'll grab, you're gonna look for like the not shampoo conditioner. You're gonna look for like the styling products. So this does attach, showing that it should work in store. So I pay $1.98, get the $4 register reward for buying two, making it a $2.02 moneymaker. Now, if you don't have that digital coupon, or if you used it already, you can grab the whole blends or the Fruities shampoo conditioner. They're the same promotion. These are just $4.99 instead, so you'll have to pay a little more. If you grab two of these, the shampoo conditioner, $8.98. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll pay $5.98. Get the $4 register reward for buying two, making them $1.98 or less than $1 a bottle. I think that's still a good price. So right now, Old Spice, Secret, and Gillette products are buy one get one 50% off. Buy four get $4 in register rewards. The best way to do the Old Spice deal, in my opinion, is to grab two of the sticks that are $8.49 each, and then to grab two of the sprays that are $8.99 each. These would be the four products, for example, that you would grab. Your total will be $26.91 for all three or all four of them, since they are buy one get one 50% off. So the way that Walgreens will ring them in is these two will be a set and these two will be a set. So you get 50% off of this one and 50% off one of these instead of 50% off on these two, since they are the cheaper ones. So we have a $5 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $21.21 at the register. Check your account. We have plenty of other coupons floating around. Then you'll submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each spray and $2 back on each stick. The limit on the rebate is 2, so that's of each. That's why we're grabbing two different items. After the $4 register reward comes back, I'll make all four items just $9.21. So this is one of the tags that I'm talking about. Each tag will show different items too. So right now, select Gillette Venus disposable razors are buy one get one 50% off, and it's not tagged the rest of the tag, but they are spend 20 get $5 in registry rewards. So the first product you're going to grab is a woman's razor for $9.49. This is the cheapest one in my store. You might have cheaper ones online. Then you're going to come grab two of the men's Gillette Skin Guard razors for $8.99. These three products will total you $22.97. Remember, one of the men's is going to be the 50% off item. We have a $3 digital coupon for the first men's, a second $3 digital coupon for the second men's, and a $3 digital coupon for the women's. You'll be left to pay $13.97 at the register. We'll get the $5 registry reward for spending $20, making all three of them just $8.97, or about $2.99 each. So this is what I was talking about, having tags by the Olay stuff, the Olay body wash. Now, I don't know if it prints for the more expensive ones, but I know for sure it will not print for the cheaper items. I've tried them in the past more than once and it never prints. It may say online that it does attach to them, but it just doesn't. Same with the Old Spice body wash. It's just something that we've learned over time. So if you're trying to put together an in-store spend 30 deal, ignore the Olay cheaper body wash and the Old Spice cheaper body wash, because it will not trigger that spend 10. Like I said, I don't know about the more expensive stuff, so I can't even see right now because I've scanned items that it's always attached to and it's just not showing up yet. So maybe a further down the week kind of deal. So we have a pretty weird deal going on. So right now, Olay and Old Spice cheaper body wash are buy three get $5 in registry rewards. And for the Old Spice, there's only one of them that is $7, and the rest are $8. I don't know why, but whatever. So there's two ways to do this deal. You can grab three of the cheaper ones for $21. Use the $6 coupon. We'll pay $15 at the register. Get the $5 register reward, making them $10 for all three. Or you can grab three of the more expensive ones at $8 each. Your total will be $24. Use that same coupon. You'll pay $18 at the register, get the $5 register reward for buying the three, then you'll submit to Ibotta for $2 back when buying two, making these $11 for all three. So it just depends on what you're looking for. I mean, they're all 24 ounces, so I don't understand why this one's $1 cheaper and the Ibotta rebate isn't attaching to this one. Who knows? Or there's a really good deal on the Old Spice pump style body wash. They are spend 20, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $11. So you'll grab two of them for $22. We have a $7 off of two digital coupon. So that means you'll be left to pay $15. We'll get the $5 register reward for buying two, and then we'll submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each one, making them $6 for both, or $3 each. Or the last body wash deal is on the Dove body wash. They are on promotion, buy two, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $8. So you'll grab two of the women's or two of the men's, it doesn't matter. Your total will be $16. We have a $5 digital coupon, so you'll pay $11 at the register, get the $3 register reward for buying two, making them $8, or buy one get one free. So earlier today I found in the ad where it mentions the spend 45 deal, and you can actually shop through that and look through it. You can sort it by category and everything. That's just so time consuming, and guess what, I just did that to verify the products I wanted to grab for this moneymaker deal and to make sure that they both work for it. Now, previously, this product has always worked. It is the Crest 3D White Brilliance 2-step product. It is $15.99 and is on promotion. Spend $14, get $7 in register rewards. So all you have to do to get this deal is to grab this. We have a $5 digital coupon. So if you're going to grab this by itself, you would pay $10.99 after the $5 digital coupon, get the $7 register reward for spending the $14, making it $3.99. The other deal that we're going to add together is this Crest Oral-B buy three, get $5 in register rewards, and products that are on sale for $5. Grabbing 3 of these will be $15. We have a $5 digital coupon, pay $10. Look at the $5 register reward for buying 3, making all 3 $5. But if you grab all these products together, your total will be $30.99. So we're over that $30 mark. We have the $5 digital coupon for this, $5 digital coupon for this, so you pay $20.99. We'll get $7 in register rewards for buying this. We'll get a $5 register reward for buying 3, plus the $10 hopefully PG register reward, making it $1.01 moneymaker. Or if you prefer to do the Colgate or don't have some of those coupons, the Colgate deal is still pretty good. They are buy 2, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $4. So grab a total of 2 products that are $4 for a total of $8. Now we do have some mouth rinses or some toothbrushes that are also $4. So make sure you are grabbing the right products for your digital coupon because there's 2 different coupons. So if you grab 2 toothpaste, your total will be $8. Use the coupon, pay $5 at the register, get the $4 register reward for buying 2, making them $1 for both. So we have a little bit of price increase on Head and Shoulder products. So they are on promotion, buy 2, get $3 in register rewards, and now they're $7. They used to be $6, but I guess we'll just have to roll with it. So you'll grab 2 of them for $14. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll pay $11. But we'll get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $8 for both. Now, in the past, select Head and Shoulders have been part of this Spend 30 deal. So, looking online, like I just mentioned, it doesn't have a section for Head and Shoulders, probably because there's just so few. So, you may have to wait to grab these until they populate online. Here's another moneymaker deal. It's on the Summer's Eve cleansing floss. So these are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get $5 in register rewards. So they're $2.99, so grabbing one at full price, one at 50% off will be $4.48. Then we'll get the $5 register reward for buying 2, making a 52-cent moneymaker. Now just an FYI guys, this will be a store register reward that prints. Now, unfortunately, guys, there's only one left at my store, but that's okay. I personally don't use these, so I'll just have to pass on this deal, but this is really phenomenal savings if these are products that you use. Here's a super easy deal that I believe anyone can do. It wasn't an only for you coupon, so these Always a Daily Fresh Thin Liners, this is the 20 count, they're $1.99. We have a $1.75 coupon that attaches to these, making this just 24 cents. Right now, there's a hot laundry deal going on select, basically Ariel products, so Gain, Tide, Downy, Bounce, you name it. And they're on sale for $4.99. So the best way to do this deal is to grab a Tide Pods, and then a Tide liquid that's part of that deal, and then a Gain liquid. And then if your store sells like a small Gain packs, you can grab one of those, or you can grab something like the Downy Rinse and Refresh. These will be the 4 products you would grab. Your total will be $19.96. We have a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide, a $1.50 digital coupon for the Tide Pods, a $1.50 digital coupon for the Gain, and a $1.50 digital coupon for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. So we have a total of $6 coming off, so we'll be left to pay $13.96. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying 4, making them $9.96 for all 4. If you need a simple filler item and actually got a spend booster this week or trying to use some Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket, this deal is a perfect deal. So it's on the Febreze small spaces. They are on sale for $3.29. We have a $2 digital coupon, making it just $1.29. So right now, select Quilted Northern, Angel Soft, Brownie, or Dixie products are buy 2, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $6.99. The best way to do this deal is to grab a Brownie paper towel and a Quilted Northern toilet paper. They are both on sale for the $6.99 price, so your total will be $13.98. Check your account for dollar digital coupons. We have a 50-cent one, but forget that one. If you haven't used them, they'll still be there if you've clipped them. But if you've already used them or didn't clip them and they're not in your account, you can submit your receipt to Checkout 51 with $1 back on each one there. So if you have the dollar digital coupons on your account, you'll pay $11.98 at the register, get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $8.98 for both. All right, we're back in from checkout, and I did 2 separate transactions. I just grabbed the Crest deal and the Garnier deal because, like I said, I can't spend all day in store trying to look through the PG part of the ad to see what attaches. So I only grabbed the Garnier deal on the first transaction. So as you can see, my they came to $8.98. My $7 digital coupon came off. It was $1.98. I used $1 whole dollar in Walgreens cash, so it made my subtotal 98 cents. Then I did get the $4 register reward, and then I also got an ad printed for the spend 30 deal, which is super cool because that's not helpful. For my second transaction, I did the Crest, the 4 Crest products to make a money maker deal. So I had 3 register rewards that 2 of them expired today, and then the other one was $1, so whatever. So as you can see, I grabbed the 3 Crest products and then the Crest 3D Brilliant 2-pack thing. So I used a total of $11 in register rewards. Unfortunately, only one of my $5 digital coupons came off. I kind of had that feeling because the 5 off of 3 also attached to the $15.99 product. So I kind of had that feeling. And unfortunately, we just can't pick and choose how we have coupons come off. So I'll have to reach out to customer service for the $5. No big deal. Actually, it is a big deal because I'm really bad at it. I'm very, very bad at reaching out to customer service, guys. I just hate being a bother. Anyway, I know I know it's my money and I shouldn't think I'm a bother. That's how I was raised. Anyway, so I swiped my card for $14.99. It should have been $9.99, but besides the point. Then, for register rewards, we got the $5 for buying the 3, the $7 for buying or spending the $14. Then the $10 PG printed, super yay. It does expire on the 8th, so I have 3 days to use it. I was kind of hoping I would get this. I don't know if they're rolling this time. Sometimes the $10 ones will roll, sometimes they won't. I don't have the kind of time to play around today, unfortunately. I may or may not do more spend 30 deals. I probably will use this on the buy 4 household deal because that will be super cheap as well. And depending on if your store is super picky and actually was like, you need to buy PG products because that's what the register reward says, well, those are PG products. So anyway, yeah, no spend booster. Did get that. I mean, I'm happy with even the $5 didn't come off. That's okay, not the end of the world. But without anything else not working or anything, I'm happy with my haul today. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.